Ibhola lethu, ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo. Sanibonani bafethu. Namhlanje izinyo ligaya ngomunye umhlathi. We just gonna be quickly reacting to a video that uJabupule made. So masuke sithi ibhola lethu, we mean exactly that. Ukuthi ibhola yilethu, ibafana bafana yethu. We all have right ukuthi sibe nama opinions ukuthi idlale kanjani le ku-AFCON. But then this time around uJabupule was very furious about certain individuals, which was uTsovilakazi no Junior Khanya, but my comments abawayenzayo to current players and current coach yebafana bafana as senior players or ex-professional players bebadlala. He feels they very unfair ukuthi bakhulume ngamajita ukuthi hey lo uyaboza lo wenzani, coach must go in. So I'm just gonna play the video. Please watch the video, and then we've got a group yethu ibhola lethu lapha ama-bowlers voice out ama-opinions wabo ku-WhatsApp ukuthi no, this is what we think what must happen. This uJabupule was right here, uJabupule was wrong, the tone was wrong. Abanye bathi fuck man, coach must go, usidlisile, asiyanga anywhere in this AFCON. Ibhola lethu, ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo. Enjoy.
Yabona mina ngibeke 99 ngiyabona uTsovilakazi uthi coach must be fired. Yo hayi angaze ngezwa enhle ngisacala unyaka usacala uthi ngathi usase ku December. He's a coach ngaleso sikhathi unama badge. Why angacoach namanje? Why angacoach? Why ungacoach mfana kithi? Somewhere nje sikubona ucoach because unama badge. Hayi reckless mfana kithi, the way ukhuluma ngakhona I'm sure nale intwana ezidlala manje izoluze respect kuwe. I mean ucoach he has done so much. He lose now uyakwazi lo. Now uyakwazi, we play the game, we win with some, we lose some. So I need to address you direct manje nale show yenu le. Yabona criticizeayo nje kuphela, only negative things kuphela, and you don't follow ngama facts. Ngihlale ngisho awunama facts. Khona manje uthi uyiko
Yasha mfethu ke bazi into zethu thina singabhopanga, we never made it to the real time. Hayi abothu abantu ke badlala, which these boys look after you, you know. Ujula Khanya no yethekele mendlela vele kudena usho vele njalo, doesn't care ukuthi bathini bayamzondo kanjani, you know. You only encourage bullshit, there's a Hugo Bruce, but uJabu njalo kanje expects a lot better from Utso. Utso bafena usemphandle fethu usemphandle usespadi Utso. It's been quiet for too long and allow abantu bazokhuluma kanje. Azi ngithandela you right, that's why I talk like correct. But you actually like he's patriotic and he's been quiet for too long and allow abantu bazokhuluma kanje, you know. Yeah, it's only wrong, but into my farm from abantu abadlalile, you know. Ngeke uzwe uDVD afika nje athi yabona ubani badlala amasembe. He will never do that because when his days when he was playing, he didn't hear ama former player or ama player asho kanjalo ngaye, but ama fans can't say that, you understand? Because go to any other player that made it pro and manje bashing intwana ezincane kanje, and you know it's unacceptable. But yeah, the tone and the man is wrong. But yes, I justify in saying that he's very patriotic for his country and he's had it.
No mngana ungasho kanjalo iside, but mina ngikushoyo ukuthi yena akabatshele because egcineni bayidlalele le game bona, they know ukuthi being a professional player yini kumele uyisho, yini ngamelanga uyisho, yini kumele uyenze, yini ngamelanga uyenze. Uyabona thina sazi sikubonayo, uyabona sazi lokhu esikubonayo ukuthi kwenzakalani behind the scene and what not, asazi ukuthi izinto mazifika kuma player bazithatha kanjani. You understand? Ucriticize kwase lokushina kufana no criticize professionally. Mina nje ngibona ngakhona because mawi professional in a way yaphawatha la nasekasi yaphawatha la. What more ngizocriticize uBhiza mina, uyabona sana uBhiza. I'm not saying ushavula indlela ayibeka ngayo right or wrong, but as long as I address it ukuthi this person should know ukuthi mfethu ezweni udlalile ibhola wafika kulezinga leli kanje, there's a better way of addressing such situations than the way you addressing ngakhona, or you know ukuthi you're supposed to be saying this instead of what you are saying. So ngibona kanjalo because egcineni phela thina ibhola silibukela ngale ndlela nathi engafani, silibukela kanje sizolijaja ngale ndlela, abanye balijaje ngale ndlela, abanye bathi kungcono so yabona. Yeah, he must, but there's a way of addressing leyo nto. Yabona ngeke sivele sithi nje hayi akahambi. Thina singakusho lokho, thina sidlala ibhola professional, but former professional players akumelanga akhuluma kanjalo. Yabona akumelanga akhulume kanjalo. Yabona iqiniso lelo mngana, masikamboni vele ukuthi ukuthi kangakanani, uyangana vele yena sikamboni, iqiniso lelo lihle ne, asikamboni because Sundowns was doing well, then ubenefit ngaleyo ndlela, then so far ama tactics wakhe njengobusha sikawaboni vele, but yithi abantu like as ama supporters bona as professional as former professional players, they're not supposed to say Hugo must go. Yabona bangayisho but ngaleyo ndlela, bangakusho lokho, yabona but ngaleyo ndlela, not like babebuhlaba bangakhulumisa ukukamalema. Yabona ikhona indlela abangasho ngayo ukuthi no yena isikhathi sakhe mase sifikile ukuthi ahambe uzohamba, uyangana babe polite ngenye indlela.
uyanya lo azobana nomjida lo yena lo esidalena lo he cannot come here and demand ukuthi akube abantu ababe professional towards the coach. The coach engekho professional yona my address media. The coach ekhuluma ngeplayer ukuthi player labeda liyaboza umfelo umuntu uthini ngolotsho lo umuntu lo mfethu ulotsho yaboza ku media lo mina nje kumele professional masikhuluma ngaye nadawa lo baba.
Clarence, I totally like Yazini, yes, he did some mistakes, but then we can't just say Agaham. It's too late now with Agaham, to be honest with you. What June World Cup? June. In 5 months' time, he World Cup. In 5 months' time, guys, he World Cup. Also coach Bafana Manch. The only thing that I'm saying, Mina, is that he needs to change. I don't think favoritism needs to change. We can't change. We can't say he must go now. Too late, man. In 5 months' time, he World Cup, guys. To be honest with you. I think it's you coach. It's too late now. The only thing that he needs to do is just to change in Jekela. The way he coaches, the way favoritism in our corner. That's it. Otherwise, I think
Yeah, I want to the psychological part and the trust and the belief he has with the players, and by all means, we protect talent and player because us Utache was beggar. We cannot forget that next. Yes, we all know which Ama wins our in this unbeaten record. All of them, most of them are not convincing. Lama game yana which was against Botswana or against Lesotho. We Bafana was good.
Yabona inkinga ivele kule yokumamela abantu ukuthi bathi uyo Bros bekaza kahle. If you remember ngama qualifier bekadlala ngale ntwana abu Nkotha nabombatha and all of those guys, right? Adlala making things happen. Then when you go to AFCON abantu batala baba nama input. Le starting 11 le Cameroon ukuthi sidlale inonsense sidlale yilama input alokavela from amacilina lokanza abantu abahlulekile ngecareer zabo basadlala or ba coach abashatabe especially lo bani lomdinayo lo konje ubani uJunior Khanye ayikho into engidina njengo Junior Khanye uJunior Khanye ukucala kuChiefs udlale amagame ayi3 ukuthi bambiza ngeChiefs legend angunderstand ukuthi because ayilona icareer yakhe izolo career shodlala amagame ayi24 but lewakhuluma ngakhona yithiwe ukuthi lo muntu ukhona into achieve in football.
Nachamzela phethu defa uJumvana uMadala akamameli muntu uMadala akamameli muntu nayo ikhona lapha khona ubani umfana le athi Hugo Bruce utheni ubani advisor ubani advisor ubani Rolando is the problem is going to take advice ustabo noMadala because if you take advice amamela what ngabufair ngabe sasekhona ku tournament.
Yazi kana ngibukela manje ama highlights mntana hayi indaba yale team iBurkina Faso hayi khona
Maphumulo bo support iBurkina Faso uyangiphoqa